welcome back, y'all. If you've been watching, you know I've had some goddess locks in, and so today is wash day. So today I got some new products. I got the Cream of Nature aloe and black castor oil line. It's supposed to be healthy and long and fortifying. I'm very excited because my hair, y'all, was super dirty. I had those, ouch. I had those goddess locks in for almost 2 months. No, I did have them in for 2 months. There were even little parts of my hair that started to dread. So I got a little nervous yesterday when I was taking it down. I was like, oh no, I'm going to lose all my hair. But anyway, so I don't want to hold y'all up, so let's get started. Oh, if you're new, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're old, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. So with this Cream of Nature line, they have a healthy and long fortifying shampoo. Then they have a healthy and long fortifying hair mask. Reconstructing anti-breakage leave-in. It's a spray. A strengthening protein treatment, which my hair, I know it's going to need some protein, y'all. Like, I have to do protein treatments once a month. And a root recharge serum. I have already used this just to see how I like it. I only used it like 2 days, so I can't go as far as growth. But it does give this tingling sensation and like a mint sensation, kind of like the shampoo. So let's start off. First of all, the shampoo, it says for weak, breakage-prone, damaged hair, conditioning aloe, Jamaican black castor oil, vitamin infused, no silicones, sulfates, petroleum, mineral oil. Let's see. The first couple of ingredients are water, sodium C14 through 16, opalin sulfonite, glycerin. Yeah, and a whole lot more stuff that I can't pronounce. But I did like it. As you can see, I did waste a little bit, so that's why it looks like I used a whole lot. I did waste some because it's very, like, watery. But I do like this. You can see it. I don't want to pour it out. It has a very watery consistency. But I do like this shampoo. It had a lot of slip. My hair is clean, but not, like stripped feeling. It lathers well. I was going to show y'all, but I washed my hair in the sink because I was being lazy. It slipped. I was able to detangle. I was able to get out all of those little, where my pieces were, like, product had built up and oil and stuff. I was able to get all of that out with my fingers. Like, this is my hair. I even have a little definition. My hair feels great. My scalp feels super clean. Dang, my hair shrunk up. I was just looking at that and I was like, wow. I can't wash and go to that. I'm going to have to twist out the body part. Yeah, if you can see, I have an awkward as heck length right now. I need to get it cut, but we are in quarantine. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do to my hair right now. I have no idea. And it's like I have a hair appointment in like 3 weeks. But is this Rona going to be gone? Nobody knows. But anyway, this hair mask, it kind of throws me off because I was like, ooh, hair mask and protein treatment. I was like, okay, I'll use this one this time, use this one next time. Then I read the directions. It says, after using the aloe and black castor oil healthy and long fortifying shampoo, apply a generous amount to clean wet hair from roots to ends. Leave on for 3 minutes and rinse thoroughly. This is not a mask. If you say leave on for 3 minutes, you ain't a mask. You a conditioner. A conditioner. So, I'm going to try this protein treatment. It says shake well before using. Step 1, cleanse hair with aloe and black castor oil shampoo and towel dry. Saturate hair with the protein treatment. Comb with the wide tooth comb for even distribution. Leave hair uncovered. Do not use a plastic cap. Send under medium heat dryer with high airflow. Alternatively, a hand dryer may be used, but hair should not be agitated. When the treatment is dried into the hair, it may feel hard to the touch. Do not comb or brush the hair. Re-wet and rinse thoroughly with warm water. Apply the fortifying mask. Leave on for 3 minutes. Style as usual. So, this is basically like the what's that protein treatment? Afro-G? Yeah, Afro-G. It's like that one. So I'm shaking it up like it says. Let me look at my, y'all hear that noise? It's just my dryer. So this is my wide tooth comb that I use. Honestly, be hating these really watery protein treatments because it's so easy to like waste all of it. All right, but we're going in. We done shook it up. Just gonna pour it into my hair. Ooh. Alright, so I'm going to go do the protein treatment and the mask, and then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so this is my hair after the protein treatment. It's looking nice and defined. It doesn't feel too dry. Hair still detangled and all that. So now we're going to go in with the mask. This is what it looks like. It's really thick. Like you have to squeeze hard. It smells really good. Like this whole line, it smells very clean and minty. I kind of wish this was a deep conditioner because my hair feels so soft and moisturized right now. Like this just feels so good. Like just want to massage my scalp right now because that's how good it feels. Has like a cooling sensation. Gave me some definition. Sorry, y'all. I think I got some in this eye. But yeah, I'm liking this. It feels really good. Gives a little definition. Massage it into my edges. Like I think this is a perfect line to use after a protective style because my hair feels great right now. We're going to see what it feels like when I wash it out. So I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I'm over here knocking over stuff. So I just rinsed out the the healthy fortifying mask. So see here. Okay, my hair isn't super moisturized, but it's not super dry either. I got some definition. It's clean. That was a piece of hair. But overall, so far so good. I'm liking this line. It's doing it for me. Like, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. My hair's detangled, moisturized but not dry. Alright, so now we're going to go in with the leave-in, anti-breakage leave-in. It is a spray leave-in. It's kind of thick but kind of creamy as well. It feels pretty nice. So we're going to section off. Y'all, like, literally taking my hair down. I don't know what was going on yesterday. But out of the 6 hair clips that I have 1 now. 1 hair clip to do all my hair. So I'm going to use I said I was going to do a wash and go, but this right here is really shrinking. So I'm going to do a twist out, try to get a little bit of length. I was going to use, I ordered a Q Drew hair steamer to stretch my hair a little, but it ain't here yet. It's been shipping for like 5 days, so I don't know. I know with everything going on, you know, shipping is behind. My face was just wet, y'all. Okay, so we're going to go in with the leave-in. And I'm going to mix that with the Cheers Gelato. Okay, so I'm just going to spray it into my hand. I'm struggling. If you've watched my channel before, you know I'm not a big fan of spray leave-ins. Because I feel like I have to keep spraying because I feel like this ain't going nowhere. I almost feel like ain't nothing on my hair. Like, it looks thick when you spray it out, but then once you smooth it into your hands, it's like ain't nothing going on. For the 3rd time. Okay, there we go. I can feel it. So it's not a thick leave-in at all. Now we're going in with the gel. And I'm actually glad this gel works with it because the Cheers Gelato from by the Mane Choice is also a strengthening gel. So I'm glad that they work well together. Let's see. Got some definition. gonna be a tricky twist right here. I should have made it smaller. Okay, since I'm twisting it, now I have too much product. But if I had been doing a wash and go, I don't think it would have been too much product. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished result of me twisting. As you know, the back and the sides are still growing out, so they're shorter. I ended up doing flat twist in the back, if you can see. Let's see. It was kind of hard to grip, but we got it. But so far so good. My hair feels moisturized. They looking pretty juicy right now. So I'm just gonna let this air dry sometime today, and then tonight, then I'll take it out tomorrow, and then I will be back with my final results and my final thoughts. Okay guys, I am back. I've let my hair sit for 2 days. I've worked out, I've put nothing on it, I've just slept on a silk bonnet. So now I'm fixing to spray some oil on my hands and just get ready to take these down. I always forget the tip of my fingers, because that's rare. Okay, this definition, y'all. And do you see how shiny it still is? Alright, hands down, these two, the Cream of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil Leave-In, and the Cheers Gelato by The Mane Choice, bomb. Bomb combination. Now I just don't know what to do with my hair. It's such an awkward length right now that I don't know what to do. I keep finding pieces I can separate. So I'm just going to go in with my pick. Pick it out some. Ow. Y'all, I ain't been able to do this in so long. Like, I ain't had no hair to be able to do this. I'm excited. Okay, so this is probably the only style I can do right now. Because for one, I don't know what to do to my hair. Two, yeah, it's just awkward. Got a little frizzy part right there, probably because I didn't be careful with taking it down, but that's okay. All in all, though, I'm loving the style. My hair isn't sticky. My hair is very, very moisturized. It's defined. It's shiny. It feels great. Like, I didn't expect to get a bomb twist out like this right after doing a protective style for like 2 months. So, yeah, I'm pleased. I could lay my edges or something and make this real cute. But we quarantine. I ain't got nowhere to go. So, I ain't worried about keeping it cute. It'll do for right now. But I'm really feeling it. I keep finding them little pieces to separate. I'm really feeling it. It doesn't look bad. My hair is definitely growing, so I'm happy about that. No flakes. I found another piece. But y'all, this is if you guys tapered hair and you grown it out, like, tell me what you do to your hair, because as you can see, like, your girl lost. But y'all, like, that definition, like, it's just bomb. Like, I don't even know what else to say. So, all in all, I love the Cream of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil line. Loved it all. Summery shampoo has super slip. Very cleansing. The protein treatment, my hair loves protein anyway, so it was a great treatment for me. The hair mask after the protein treatment, it does leave your hair very soft. It doesn't have a lot of slip. Very thick though. More of a conditioner, not a mask. Everything has this like tingly feeling. Every line has a tingling feeling. The Root Recharge Serum, I do like it. It has a minty tingling feeling as well. The leave-in is kind of thick, kind of watery. Wish it came in a pump instead of a spray. Yeah, that would have been nice. It would be easier to get out, but I do like the leave-in. Yeah, like, I love this whole line. I will keep using this. Like, and I think if, like, I run out, I would go and rebuy this. Because, yeah. My hair looking good. Looking good. It's just awkward because I don't know what to do with it. And that's about it. Like, I could gel this back and pin it. But for what though? Y'all ain't going nowhere. But anyway, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, hit that right now. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video. But thank you guys. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. See y'all in the next one. Peace.